Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. Question number 1. Who is known to have introduced the concept of crop cafeteria? Who is known to have introduced the concept of crop cafeteria? Option A. M.S. Swaminathan. Option B. Norman Borlaug. Option C. Panchanan Maheshwar. Or option D. Ramdeo Mishra. Crop cafeteria. The correct answer is option A, that is M.S. Swaminathan. Question 2. Mutation can be described as option A. Continuous genetic variation. Option B. Phenotypic change. Option C. Discontinuous genetic variation. Or option D. Change due to hybridization. Mutation can be described as. The correct answer is option C, that is discontinuous genetic variation. Question 3. Tongue is attached to floor of oral cavity by option A. Frenulum. Option B. Uvula. Option C. Papillae. Or option D. Epiglottis. Tongue is attached to floor of oral cavity by. The correct answer is option A. Frenulum. Question number 4. Replication of DNA is carried out by option A. DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Option B. DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Option C. RNA dependent DNA polymerase. Or option D. RNA dependent RNA polymerase. Replication of DNA is carried out by. The correct answer is option A, that is DNA dependent DNA polymerase carries out the replication. Question 5. Which of the following is incorrect about the wall of thoracic chamber? Of the four statements, one is incorrect about the wall of thoracic chamber. Option A. Dorsally made by sternum. Option B. Ventrally made by sternum. Option C. Laterally made by ribs. Option D. Lower side by diaphragm. So these are the walls of thoracic chamber. You have to tell which one is incorrect. The answer is option A. Dorsally made by sternum. It's incorrect. Dorsally, the thoracic chamber is made by vertebral column. Question 6. Which of the following is not granulocyte? Eosinophil, neutrophil, monocytes, basophil. Which of the following is not a granulocyte? The correct answer is option C. Monocyte is not a granulocyte. Question 7. What is the source of atrial natriuretic factor ANF? Kidney, pituitary, heart or adrenals? Source of atrial natriuretic factor. The correct answer is option C, that is heart. Question 8. Mark the incorrect pair. Axial skeleton is made up of 80 bones, cranial bones 8 in number, facial bones 22 in number, or air ossicles 3 in number. Of these four pairs, you have to mark which one is incorrect. The answer is option C is incorrect. That is facial bone 22. That's incorrect because there are 14 facial bones and 8 cranial bones, which together make up total of 22 bones in skull. So total number of facial bones is 14 and not 22. Question 9. The correct arrangement of the air ossicles from eardrum to inner ear is Malleus incus stapes, incus malleus stapes, stapes incus malleus, or stapes malleus incus. All these are air ossicles. Arrangement from eardrum to the inner ear is. The correct answer is option A, that is Malleus incus stapes. Glucagon is secreted by which cells of islet of Langerhans? Alpha cells, beta cells, gamma cells or delta cells? Glucagon is secreted by. The correct answer is option A. Alpha cells of islets of Langerhans secrete glucagon. Beta cells of islets of Langerhans secretes very important hormone. Right, insulin. Insulin is secreted by beta cells of islets of Langerhans. Question number 11. The second maturation division of the mammalian ovum occurs shortly after ovulation, before the ovum makes entry into the fallopian tube, until after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm, until the nucleus of sperm has fused with that of ovum in Graafian follicle following first maturation division. When does the second maturation division of mammalian ovum occurs? Correct answer is option B, until the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. Question number 12. Which one of the following is monoecious? Cycas, Pinus, date palm, Merchantia. Which one of the following is monoecious? The correct answer is option B, that is Pinus. Question number 13. Drugs that cause malformation in developing embryo during pregnancy are called teratogens, nicotine, tranquilizers or alcoholic beverages. Malformations in developing embryo is called by drugs which are called as. The correct answer is option A, teratogens. Question number 14. A change in the amount of yolk and its distribution in the egg will affect pattern of cleavage, amount of number of blastomeres produced, fertilization, formation of zygote. The change in amount of yolk and its distribution in egg will affect. The correct answer is option A, the pattern of cleavage. Question number 15. A cross in which an organism showing a dominant phenotype is crossed with a recessive parent in order to know its genotype is called as back cross, test cross, dihybrid cross or monohybrid cross. The correct answer is option B. It is called as test cross. So those were the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very channel 7 p.m. sharp with another set of 15 MCQs. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of such videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.